India again rejects Trump's offer of Kashmir mediation. India has once again showed its traditional intransigence and rejected U.S. President Donald Trump's offer to mediate on Kashmir issue. Talking to media in New Delhi, Ministry of External Affairs spokesman Raveesh Kumar said there is no role for any third party in this matter. He failed to hint at resumption of talks with Pakistan in his mantra of bilateralism. It may be recalled that Kashmir issue has been on UN agenda for over last 7 decades. We have seen President Trump's remarks. Our position on the Kashmir issue has been clear and consistent. Let me once again reiterate that there is no role for any third party in this matter, said the ministry spokesman. Earlier, U.S. President during the meeting with PM Khan again offered Kashmir mediation between Pakistan and India and said that what's going on between Pakistan and India, if we can help, we certainly will be willing to. We have been watching it very closely and it's an honor to be here with my friend, he added. Trump again offers to mediate between Pakistan, India. The Pakistan-India conflict is a very big issue for us in Pakistan and we expect the US to always play its part in de-escalating the tensions, because no other country can, he added. India and Pakistan hold Kashmir in part and claim the Himalayan region in full. China also controls part of the contested region, but it is India and Pakistan that have fought 2 wars over the territory.